you're considering law school, there's a couple of steps that I recommend that you take before you decide that law school is for you. The first is to take time and interview people in the profession, but not just anybody. You should consider interviewing the people in the type of law you think you want to go in. There's many different aspects of the law. There's employment law, there's immigration law, there's personal injury, but there's also different parts of the law. There's private practice, there's pro bono, there's public service, and all of those different fields bring different experiences. As somebody who's worked at the Ohio Attorney General's office, worked for a court of appeals, and now worked in private practice, each one brings its own different part of the law that you need to think about. And you may realize that when you interview that particular person that you're no longer interested in that particular type of law. Not to worry, if you're still interested in the law, I recommend then that you shadow an attorney. Because by shadowing an attorney, you get to see different aspects, like you might get to see a deposition, or you might get to see a client interview, or a court appearance. And some of those may direct you in the way that you think you want to go. Have a clear idea of what you want to do. And that's where these first two steps are taking you, is to have a clear idea. Because when you go into the practice of law, there's so much that you can do that you should have some sort of idea. Also think about where you want to be. If you want to be in Columbus, Ohio, Ohio State and Capital have great law schools. You can look at going there. If you want to be in Cleveland, there's Cleveland State and there's Case Western. So there's different parts that you can look at in different areas that you should look into before making a decision about where you want to go to law school. Um, and the other thing is, do it because you love it. Don't do it for the money. When you do it because you love it, every day is not a work day. It's a day that you go to do what you love. And as long as you're doing what you love, it really brings the best out of you. If you're thinking about law school and you like to talk to somebody, you can always give me a call at 614 538 1116, where you can email me at jedediah@bressmanlaw.com.